Okay, I know I've talked about a couple of Bitcoin mining companies already, but this is one that has been mentioned before in the comments as well as on other people's channels as well. And so in this video, we're gonna talk about Hut 8 Mining, and I'm gonna share my thoughts as to whether or not I think this stock is a buy right now. So let's break this company down with some pros and cons, and then at the end, I'll share what I'm planning on doing with this company. One of the first things that I saw within this company is that they are not only a Bitcoin mining company, but they also mine Ethereum as well. Now, what this will allow the company to do is receive bigger and greater gains over time, because I think that Ethereum is actually going to outperform Bitcoin over the next 5 years. So I see tremendous potential not only with this company, but other Bitcoin mining companies that see potential elsewhere. And this is a big reason why I'm invested in Sphere 3D, who will be merging with Griffin Digital Mining. But I'll share more on that later. Another big thing that I see for this company is their rapid revenue growth. From their earnings report in December of 2020 to their earnings report in September of 2021, they increased their revenues over 4x. And with their goal of having a hash rate of 3 exahash by the end of Q1, they're projecting to grow faster than one of my favorite Bitcoin mining companies, CleanSpark. And so I would say that this company is doing extremely well when it comes to their overall growth. And another great thing that I love about this company is that they have already achieved profitability. So when converting their Canadian dollars to USD, they had net income this past quarter of about $18.65 million. And this is a really good sign as long as they continue to post positive net income. So looking at all these things the company is doing, their numbers are outstanding. But I want to share a couple of things that makes me hesitant about investing in this company. First, the company has over 150 million shares on their float and 165 million shares outstanding. And that is more than Riot and Marathon. When compared to other companies that have lower amounts of shares, it will be much harder for them to produce strong earnings per share. Now, that doesn't mean that the company is going to produce poor numbers, because honestly, I think the company is going to do really well, especially over the next 3 to 5 years. But when compared to a company like CleanSpark, who only has about 41 million shares, it will be easier for them to be able to achieve greater earnings per share than Hut 8 Mining could. The second thing that I'm unsure about is their projections. Unlike other Bitcoin mining companies, it is difficult to be able to actually see what their hash rates are going to be over the next year. However, if you can find their outlook, especially over the next couple of years, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, honestly, this could be a good thing for the company, especially if they're able to expand to where Riot and Marathon could be. But without a true outlook for this company and splitting their resources between Ethereum mining and Bitcoin mining, it's going to be difficult to be able to determine what their revenues are going to look like over the next couple of years. And this leads to my third thing. I firmly believe that this company is going to do really well in the cryptocurrency mining space. But if there is a crash in the crypto markets, this company will suffer like the rest of the miners that don't have another vertical to their company. And one major reason why I like CleanSpark is the fact that they have another side of their business, and that'll give a safety net if crypto falls. Because if this does happen, their energy side of the business is going to be able to generate solid revenues regardless. But for Hut 8, they don't have this ability. Now, if you are bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially over the next 3 years, and you don't expect there to be a crash or a bear market in that span of time, then I don't see this as a problem. Lastly, as investors, we want to pick stocks that we believe are going to give us the best return on our investment. That means even though the company could be outstanding and generate incredible revenues, their valuation compared to other companies could make people not want to be a part of the company. And even though I see this company as being undervalued, in my opinion, it's not the most undervalued Bitcoin mining company. With CleanSpark and Hut 8 both achieving about 2 exahash by December, Hut 8 has triple the valuation of CleanSpark. Do I think that Hut 8 is going to grow faster than CleanSpark is over the next year? Yes, but in terms of share price, I think CleanSpark is going to have a much better return. So what am I going to do with this company? Honestly, if this company downtrends to maybe below $5, then I'll consider getting into it. But as I said, Hut 8 is a great company that has received a decent valuation, unlike CleanSpark. And even though I think Hut 8 is undervalued, I believe that there is greater potential elsewhere. For me, I see CleanSpark as a safer investment, but I'm also already in Sphere 3D, which will become Griffin Digital Mining over the next quarter, hopefully. I think Griffin Digital Mining is going to be one of the top players in crypto mining altogether. And so this is going to be my high risk, high reward play. So because I already have a sizable amount in both of these companies, I don't want to continue to increase my exposure. But that is simply just my opinion. And if you believe that Hut 8 is going to be bigger and better than Griffin Digital, then I would love to hear your reasons why in the comments down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, would you consider destroying that like button? It helps this channel immensely. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you're notified when new content comes out. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one.